Good morning. Am I audible? Sure. So today we learn about ACL access control list. So what is ACL access control list? It is a set of rules defined for controlling the network traffic and reducing the network attacks. So this ACL used to filter traffic based on the set of rules defined for incoming and outgoing packets of the networks. Basically, in ACL, what we do, we set some rules, and based on that rules, the network will decide which packet will go inside the networks and which will drop. So, in one of the practical we did already, I think you remember we set some deny and allowed rule on the routers. So those are nothing but we are putting some access control list on that router. Okay. Am I audible to you? No response. I'm asking. Okay. So these are the features of ACL. The first feature is the set of rules defined are matched serial wise. That is matching start from the first line and to the last line. First, second, third, fourth, like that. And the second feature is the packets are matching only until it matches the rule. Once the rule is matched, then no further comparison takes place, and that rule will be performed. That means if you have the first rule setting allow, then once you got that match, you will definitely access that list directly without any checking of the rest of the rules. And the third feature is there's an implicit deny at the end of the every ACL. That means if it's already serves all the rules and you will not get any allowed rule previously, at the end of the list there is a implicit deny rule set for all the protocols. So if no condition or no rule match, then the packet will be discarded. We'll check all the rules. If we not found any rules matching with that or any condition, and at the end the packet will be discarded or dropped. Okay. So these are the types of ACL. Only 6 students, not why. So these are the types of ACL access control list. Mainly there are two types of ACL. One is standard and another one is extended. So in the standard ACL, there is no mechanism to distinguish between IP traffic. For example, which packet is TCP, which is UDP, which is HTTP. It cannot be distinguished. He only permits or deny, that means he allow or deny the packets. He must not find any IP types. He will not go inside that packet and he will not find out which packet is TCP, which is UDP, which is HTTP. He is not bothered about this. That is standard ACL. So it is written here there are the ACLs which are made using the source IP address only. That means he will say to whom the packet will go. That means the source. So sorry, from whom. So from whom that packet is coming to that router, he will check that only. ACL permits or deny the entire protocol suite. all protocols with all protocols you will allow. Okay, all protocol may be denied based on the rule. They do not distinguish between the IP traffic, such as TCP, UDP, HTTP, etc. By using the numbers 1 to 99 or 1300 to 1999, router will understand it is a standard ACL. If the root says these numbers 1 to 99 or 1300 to 1999, then we will understand that this is a standard ACL and the specified address as source IP address. So this will have only source IP address and it says some numbers 1 to 99 or 1300 to 1999. Okay, and the another one access list is extended access list. So here the source and destination IP address will be saved. And in this type of SQL, they we have to mention which type of protocol is allowed, which type of protocol will be dropped or denied. So basically what we implemented on the previous practical, we said extended ACL because we said what? We said the action as well as type of packet. That day our packet was IP packet. We allow some of the IP packet, we drop some of the IP packet from some source. So that was our extended ACL we implemented on that day. Okay. So in this written, these are the ACL which uses both source and destination IP address. And in this type of ACL, we can also mention which IP traffic should be allowed or denied. And the range of this is 100 to 199 and 2000 to 2699. And what was the range of standard? 1 to 99, 1300 to 1999. But here the range is 100 to 199 and 2000 to 2699. If these are the numbers, then they would understood that is the extended ACL, and if 1 to 99 and 1300 to 1999, then those are standard ACL. Okay, so these are two types of main ACL, but we have also two more ACL types. Those are these two numbered ACL, access control list, and access control list. So in numbered access control lists, these are the access control lists which cannot be deleted specifically once created. That means you cannot delete. Once you set the rule, you cannot delete that rule. Okay? That is, if you want to remove any rule from the access list, then this is not permitted in case of numbered access list. So you cannot delete any list from numbered access list once you set that rule. If we try to delete the rules from the access list, then the whole list will be deleted. You have to compare all the rules. You cannot delete a specific rule in case of numbered access list. The numbered access list can be used with both standard access list. This can be used for both standard and access list, but the problem is you cannot specifically delete one rule from the list. If you want to delete one rule, then whole list will be deleted. That is the problem of numbered access list. And second one is named access list. In this type of access list, a name is assigned to identify access list. That means each and every rule have a name. Now, it can be allowed to delete a name access list, unlike number access list. Like number access list, these can be used for both are same. The difference is here only. In number access list, our list is a number, but here is a name. And if you have to discuss the difference in number access list, once you have set a rule, you cannot delete. If you need to delete, then whole list will be. But in case of name access list, you can delete some of the rules if you want to delete. Is it okay? Any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? No. Then tell me what is access list? What are the types of access lists? And what are the difference between these? What happened? No response? Eh, कोई है कि नहीं? नशा हो गया?
Well,
Any doubt?
no, sir.
So what are the advantages of access list? If no doubt, we will discuss this. And the first advantage is it improves network performance. How it improves the network performance? In access, we can restrict some of the user, and we will only allow some of the user at a time. Okay, so if the user is less, obviously the network will perform more. For example, in our place, if less number of mobile phone users, then our network will be more faster. But more people are using internet at the same time, then there may be a chance of going down of the networks. That is slow state of the networks. Will get 10 Mbps, 5 Mbps, 4 Mbps, like that. But if less user using at the time, you will get a speed, more speed than the others. And the second point, second is site security. As an administrator can configure the access list according to the niche and deny the unwanted packets from entering the networks. Obviously, since the administrator will set the rules, he can block unwanted packet and he only allow trusted packet. So obviously, it will provide security, base security. And last point, last advantage, it provide control over the traffic as it can permit or deny according to the needs of the networks. I already mentioned this one. If we deny some of the packet, we only permit some of the user, then the number of user is less. So that's why our network will be more efficient, the speed of the network will be faster. Okay, that's all about your ACL. What is ACL? ACL is nothing but the access control list where you can allow some of the packet and we can drop some of the packet. Basically, you're mainly there are two types of ACL list, standard and not extended. In standard ACL, what is that? Standard ACL, it will not distinguish any types of packet. You may allow all the packets, all types of packet, or maybe drop all packets. But in extended ACL, you will find out which packet is IP, which one UDP, which one TCP, and based on the type and the rules, you will decide whether you will allow or deny or drop the packet. Then there are two more types of ACL, numbered ACL and named ACL. So in numbered ACL, you cannot delete specified rules. If you have to delete specified rules, the entire list will be deleted. But in case of name ACL, each and every rule have a name and you can now delete any specified rules. Okay. Then we discussed advantage. First one is improve network performance, second is provide security, and third one provide control over the network traffic. Controls over the network traffic means we are giving some users privilege at the time, then we'll not give some other users privilege so the less number of users will be active at the time. That's way we can improve the network performance. So this all about your ACL. And then last we discussed firewall and today we discuss ACL. Both are control mechanism. Both are give some control to the networks. Okay. So only 9 people are here. We'll stop here. We will not discuss more topics. Send attendance in WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.
खत्म क्लास. Hmm? Sabun saja.